Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to explore the smart notification feature of this wearable. As you can see here, we have the support for push notifications. So we will check this one and let's see if it works or compatible with the following applications. So we have here the Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Viber, and we also have the text messages. So we will check if the push notification works with the following app here in our smartphone, and of course the text messages. So if you are interested to see how the smart notification works, watch this video, and of course support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and explore the smart notification feature of the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. We are already paired with the support app. We have the Realme Link application. So we have here the application. So let's double check and explore the settings for the notifications. So we have here, it's already activated. So we'll not activate this one so we can receive notifications even though we are not wearing the wearable. Okay, or the screen is activated. So we have here the WhatsApp application. Here for the text messages, we have Instagram, Messenger, we have messages. Let's double check. Seems like everything is okay here. We have the Viber is also activated. Then let's go here. When we install the support app, we notice the quick message reply. So this one, I'm not sure if this is for the Bluetooth call or for the push notifications. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see if we can add one. Sample quick reply. Oh, quick response. Then that's it. Okay, again, sample quick response. Let's add another one. How are you? Can we add an emoji? No, there's no option for emoji. Okay, again, how are you? Let's see. Is it okay now? Okay, seems like it is synchronizing. Okay, that's it. So let's start. We have here our other smartphone. I guess let's go first with the Messenger. Hopefully it works. So we have here some previous messages with other smartwatches. Message. Or we'll just say hello. Hello, Cindy. That's it. And let's send a message. Is there a message? And we have it here. Okay, so let's explore. So we have here the logo, the name, and the message. So hello, Cindy. Okay, we double send it or not? Okay, as you can see here, we do have the name of the application, we have the logo, the name of the sender, the message, the time, and we have a quick reply. Okay, let's see if we can receive it here. Sample quick response. Let's have this. Okay, it works. Nice. Again, let's see. Hello. And we have the notification. No problem. And we have it here. Okay, it works. And you have an option here to remove or delete the message. Another one, let's see if there's a support for emoji. Hello. Hopefully there's a support for emoji. Let's wait. And we have it here. So there's the support for emoji. Very good so far for our Realme Watch 5. I'm impressed with the quick response here. Very useful, very important for messages. Okay, and it is not just for call, I think. Let's see later on our second video for the Bluetooth call if the quick reply also works. Then let's see if it can send or receive several characters or messages. Let's wait. And we have the message. Let's see. Okay, it supports at least 2 paragraphs here. As you can see, all of the messages here, okay, is available in the push notification. So it can support a lot of words or characters. I think at least 2 paragraphs here. Very good so far. Okay. And we have a quick reply. Okay. And we have a quick reply. And next, let's have the call notifications. Let's see if we can receive the missed call notifications. It's now calling. And seems like we do have a support for answering calls for Messenger. Let's try. Hello. This is Messenger call. Bye. And call. Okay, so that's it. So it has support for calls on Messenger. Very good. Okay, I'm impressed already with our Realme Watch 5. Next, let's have the WhatsApp application.